Ohaneze ndị Igbo mụrụ nze mmụọ ozi kinekwa mụ na ebe nọ nene mụrụ dịlu nwa asị ma bene subscribe kabara subscribe na channel anyị. Kedu ihe ma ji bịa n'ụbọchị nke taata na mkpụrụ ọgbani bụ ọmụ ịtọ gara aga ka a na-asị na Alex Otti, one of the best governor in Nigeria assistance today. Alex Otti, one of the best governor. Ake Alex Otti ka ndị unu kwesịrị ịmụta that na ndị achọ ka Nigeria dị mma na ya dị mma. Just there are people who has positioned themselves in strategic places. Johnny Homa Batalo Madaka. Onan one noketa Fugodo report 80. National Alex Otti illegal. Oliego warranty illegal. OGC ega alora ayolo nyali change. Yes. Alex Otti GC ego alora ayolo so oligo do change. Onwere iwe jiria. Where we have problem is that we don't provide light, you don't provide anything, no source of obodo yesterday ma. Still we will tribalism and religion need divide and divide. Need divide them Nigerians, individuals. Need to start tribalistic people would do everywhere. Can you hear me now? Alex Otti because the man is widely loved by many, including me. I love Alex Otti so much. On your name of Makaneto. Go. So somebody may travel 2-3 days ago. We will hear Tatana motor we won a main road. Therefore, can also well no so to get motor chotia, which I say I'm going to pick everything Nina or sana that main road. In my own opinion, I want to know dear, he has a main road from his roundabout on cause to roundabout on cause. So that can do we are mota because if we have melonios we will wear mole. Growing up we had story of Idiabo Bonyana Buhari in Nigeria that it is difficult for you say if you know a compound beg a bufu aso. So know that these people we kisi achi Nigeria mba. I can remember growing up on a na rush tabia nabata school compound in national anthem. You have to stand up, stand still. Acknowledge the national anthem of Nigeria. Manaketa lie our children to them have national anthem. They can't sing it because everywhere the system has been messed up. Then in this video, called the one.
Not every time bad news. Sometimes let us share some good news. You see, this man that they call Alex Otti, in the situation whereby a lot of people don't like their governors. I watched a video on the internet. I don't know how true that video is, but that video is not AI. This video I watch is a guy from the north. He was inside his car and he made a video saying that after fasting, they will chase all the governors of the north out of the north, according to him. Not me. This is allegedly, this is what I watched on the internet. The guy was angry. The guy said that even as he's making this video, he knows that they will look for him and arrest him. That even if they take his life, it will not solve the problem. That the whole northern governors have sold their life. As a matter of fact, that people in Arewa are dying and that the governors are doing nothing. As a matter of fact, I even saw a video in Adamawa State whereby soldiers came in and the whole community started to run. The soldiers were not saying, no, we are soldiers, we are soldiers. They mistake them for bandits because they are used to that kind of attack. They are used to it. The whole 36 state in the federation is in chaos. But in the midst of that chaos, there is one state that a governor is making impact. The governor is making a whole lot of impact. You can see in Edo State, the people are protesting that there is no light. The governor is busy talking about 2027 election, not even minding the fact. How can you blame the fact that they don't have light in Edo State? You link it to Peter Obi, through Fidelity Bank. So in the midst of all this chaos, whereby people don't even want to use ear to hear about their governors, Alex Otti have made a difference. Leadership has given a good example that it has even impacted in the life of the civilians. Some women were traveling by road in a bus. They drank pure water and they throw it outside the bus. Do you know what? Some people stopped the bus, told the women to come down, tell them to pick all the nylon that they throw on the floor, and they warned the driver that this should never happen again. In Abia State, as we speak, All the buses in Abia State have dustbin inside the bus. Every taxi driver have a dustbin in their car. They always warn their passengers, please, if you buy anything you are eating, throw the nylon inside the basket. Don't throw it on the ground. It is an offense in Abia State, in Aba now, to throw something on the ground. That used to be one of the most dirtiest states in the history of Nigeria, but now Abia State, Aba, is now a clean industrial hub. Alex Otti have done a good job. This is leadership by example and the impact of leadership on the citizens. The people of Abia have awoken, their eyes have opened, they are now seeing the right way to do things. You see, leadership, when you set an example, you provide the infrastructure, and you set up a maintenance culture, the people will follow. They are following now in Abia State. This is proper leadership. Having a leader that is willing to work. If you have a leader that is willing to work, you will have a followers that is willing to be loyal and stay and follow and do the right thing. You see, we have to do our own. This is what they say, how can Nigeria become a better place? Nigeria can be a better place where everybody play their role. You that is a governor, play your role as a governor. You that is a civilian, you that is a citizen of a state, play your role as a citizen. You that is a president, play your role as a president. You that is the masses, you play your role as the masses. Everybody have a work to do. It is not only the governors that have work to do. We also have our work to do. This is example. If they provide infrastructure for you, what do you have to do? You maintain it. The other time in Abia State, they saw somebody that is cutting wire. They catch him and they slap nonsense from his face. And it's not even from Abia State, it's from Anambra State. They chase him back. Now, some women are throwing pure water on the road. The nylon, they told them to come and pick it. They didn't beat them. They didn't harass them. Nothing. They just teach them a lesson by them picking the nylon on the ground. They told them that they are even those women are even lucky. They didn't give you broom to sweep the whole of Aba. They are supposed to give you broom to sweep the whole of Aba. How can you come in and see that somewhere is clean? You go and start littering it. No, don't do it. Leadership by example. And Alex Otti have set a standard, and the people of Abia State are following. Kudos to the people of Abia State. This is a good news. This is coming whereby other state governors have lost the trust between them and their people. They have lost trust between them and their people. You have a governor in a state, and the people will see a soldier and they are running away. That means it has gone bad. It has gone bad. Well, I just thought to bring this good news. Alex Otti, thank you for what you have done. You are a good man. Your governorship deserves a second term. You are a good man. We love you. We from afar, we are seeing what you are doing. We are feeling it from where we are. This is how a governor should be. This is what they call governor. Not the one you come and they give you money, you share it among yourself with the local government chairman and the rest. You don't do anything in your state. Look at, if you travel out of, it's only when you come to this country in Nigeria, when you come to Nigeria, you see dust. Come on Rwanda here, there's no dust in Rwanda. Every road is tile. There's no dust in Rwanda. There's no dust in Rwanda. Look at dust everywhere. In Rwanda, I don't want to talk about Europe and the rest of them. In Rwanda here, there's no dust. People that have gone to Rwanda can tell you, I have gone to Rwanda. You need to start working in your state. The whole load cannot be in the federal government. You as a state government, you have a big role to play. As I'm talking now, some people will say, what he didn't do, what Alex Otti. To you, you are blind to see that he didn't do anything. You can never see in your life. If you say that you are not seeing what Alex Otti is doing, you will be blind for life. Since you say you can, you are lying like Daniel Bwala. You are lying, saying something clearly, and you are lying. You are Daniel Bwala. Daniel Bwala, that's what you are doing. Don't be a Daniel Bwala. Don't even lie to yourself. You better tell yourself the truth. Alex Otti is working. My name is Malan Shaibu. They call me the Spice Creator. Google me if you like. Don't Google me. That is your business. But please, everything I have said in this video, from the beginning to the end, is what? Allegedly. Allegedly,